Hi there, the Nokia 32-inch TV. Now this one actually surprised me more than I thought, but it's not perfect. Now I've been using this for about a month and I really wanted to use it long enough before I share my experiences. And here it is. Now I'll tell you what's good, what's bad. Actually bad is a very strong word. Let's say what should have been better or different. Simply putting it, pros and cons. Surely that will help you decide if this one is perfect for you or not. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So before we dive in further, let's have a quick glance at the specifications. Cortex A53 quad-core CPU, Mali 470 GPU, VA HD ready display panel with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels, 1.5 GB of RAM, 8 GB internal storage, it's running Android TV 9 OS and it has 39-watt built-in Onkyo soundbar. Alright, the biggest highlight of the Nokia 32-inch TV is undoubtedly the Onkyo 39-watt built-in soundbar. It's the reason this TV stands out from the competition. Now surely, if anyone is buying a TV and you have an option to pick the one that has better, louder, clearer sound, who wouldn't want that? The soundbar is built in on the lower bezel of this TV. It has two regular speakers for bass and mids and two tweeters for clear, crisp highs. It's time you hear it yourself. So during the action sequences, the audio was phenomenal. It gets loud, it's dynamic and it's clear. And for a built-in soundbar, it's excellent. The music experience, that too was really nice. Good highs and mids. The bass is decent, but enough for the audio to sound rich. I wish we could connect an external subwoofer to this. It would have taken the audio to a whole new level. But that's just a thought. In the audio department, the Onkyo built-in soundbar on the 32-inch Nokia TV is an absolute winner. One of the biggest reasons to consider this TV. Moving to the display. Now we have an HD ready display with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels. This is a VA panel and the color reproduction is actually quite impressive. Blacks are fine, but not the deepest, but above average. It has a peak brightness of 325 nits. Now that's something we don't see in many 32-inch TVs. The images look really bright and vivid. Not oversaturated, but more leaning towards natural colors. Now VA panels usually suffer from poor viewing angles and the same is for this Nokia TV. Now when you're watching a video from about 45 degrees angle, you can see a slight shift in color. But if you move further diagonally, the color shift is more noticeable. Basically, if you're sitting straight or a little in an angle, it's fine. But if you're sitting awkwardly in the corner, the experience won't be that great. Now this doesn't mean that the display ain't good. It's really nice for the size and price. It has a 60 Hz refresh rate and videos run smoothly. No jittery images here at all. You can play YouTube videos up to full HD without any problem. Now from my point of view, the 325 nits peak brightness is a huge perk. Higher the brightness, better the image quality and detail. Moving to the OS. It's running Android TV 9 OS. You have all the apps you need. Netflix, Prime Videos, YouTube, Hotstar. The list is huge. Now I've been using each one of them and all work without any hiccups. Anyway, since it's Android TV, we also get Play Store from where you can download more apps and even games. Now frankly, I'm not too much into gaming, but in my limited experience, it worked pretty well. However, some games might need a gamepad. Now this one's interesting. This 32-inch Nokia TV comes with 1.5 GB of RAM, which means better at multitasking and no lag. Now this is probably the only 32-inch Android TV in my knowledge that has 1.5 GB RAM. Usually other TVs have only 1 GB, which eventually starts getting laggy after a while when you download more apps. With 1.5 GB of RAM and lesser pixels to push, the OS works blazing fast. This is a big pro. It's like future-proofing your device. The Nokia TV has two-way Bluetooth, probably one of my favorite features of the Nokia TV. It comes with pre-installed Audio Connect app, which does two things. One, connect your Bluetooth headphones to the TV to watch content when you don't want to disturb others in the room. And second, connect your phone's Bluetooth and play music from your phone to the TV's Onkyo soundbar. Yeah, the soundbar ain't only for the TV audio. So you can use it as a standalone music player as well. And guess what? You can even turn off the display while listening to music to save power. Let's check it out. So this is TV to connect to Bluetooth speaker or any Bluetooth earphones. So if you want to connect your earphones, you click on this. Make sure your earphones are on pairing mode. And you're done. And your favorite Bluetooth earphones are connected. Now whatever sound is from the TV is going to come to your earphones. Now if you have to connect your smartphone to the TV speakers, you come to the right side, you click here, you'll come to this page, take your phone, go to the Bluetooth settings, and you'll see ATV R1. Click on that. You'll get a pairing request, click pair, and you're done. Now, when you play music from the phone, it's going to play on the TV speakers. You can reduce the volume from here. You can increase the volume from here. And you can even change the wallpaper at the back here. And the best part is to turn off the display. This button here will turn off the display, which is simply amazing. Press the button again on the remote and the display wakes up. So it saves power as well. If you come to this side, it will show you the number of phones and devices that are connected. If you want to keep them connected, you can keep them connected, or else you can delete them. The Nokia TV also nails mirroring, casting and sharing from your phone. It comes with a pre-installed FastCast app. The best part is it works with Android and iPhone. Let's check it with iPhone first. So you can cast videos from YouTube, Netflix and other apps that support Chromecast. Then you can mirror your iPhone by going to the control center, screen mirroring. It's a little laggy, but still it works. Then you can even view pictures from your phone to the TV using the FastCast app, and this works flawlessly. Coming to Android, you can cast from apps using the Chromecast just like you did from the iPhone. Then download the FastCast app on your Android phone and you can watch movies, local content using direct Wi-Fi. It works with zero lag. So for those who have lots of videos and movies downloaded on your phone, and then you can stream with them without any problem. I would love to see Google have a native app like this for Android TVs. All we get is Chromecast, but this is what we should get for every Android TV. We also get Google Voice Control on the remote, easy to use, and it was very responsive and worked very well. However, it will need an active internet connection to work. Coming to the ports, so it has 3 HDMI ports when most 32-inch TVs have only 2. And who wouldn't mind an extra HDMI port? In fact, I have a feeling soon bigger 4K variants will have 4 HDMI ports and might totally get rid of the antenna port. Anyway, we'll see that. Further, 2 USB ports, AV input, headphone jack, Ethernet, optical and antenna. Everything covered. Also, all the ports are on one side, so it's always more convenient to reach them even when the TV is wall mounted. Now something that I think should have been different is thicker bezels. The build quality however is good. It's one of the few 32-inch TVs to have a solid silver metal stand. But the bezels are an eyesore. By 2020 standards they're really thick, especially since you have other TVs in this price with slimmer bezels. This was definitely something Nokia should have done. The lower bezel houses the soundbar and has an Onkyo logo on the side. I wish the plastic finish was a little superior. Don't get me wrong, the build is solid, but the design probably should have been a little better. Also, the Nokia TV supports only 2.4 GHz single band Wi-Fi, but I've been streaming a lot of content using my 2.4 GHz Hathway internet connection and never have I experienced any lag or buffer. However, I wished it had dual band support, but it's not a deal breaker for sure. So guys, to summarize, we'll start with first the cons, thicker bezels, single band Wi-Fi and a little poor viewing angles. Coming to the pros. Oh, the list is long. Where do I start from? Okay. Excellent Onkyo speakers, good display with 325 nits brightness, 1.5 GB of RAM, two-way Bluetooth, FastCap app for mirroring and sharing, all the ports you need for just 13,999. Yeah, that might be 500,000 rupees more than the other TVs, but you're also getting much more than that. It's easily recommended TV if you're looking for a 32-inch smart TV. I'll leave the link below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, this one is definitely a good option. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feel free to mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.